Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for an excellent quality dental floss, you've got to try this one by the Humble Co. I personally really like it because I love the ingredients it's made with, and I find this dental floss works really well. The packaging and materials that they've used to make this dental floss is really great. I think it works well. I actually just took it out of the packaging so you could see the material of the actual dental floss. My teeth are close together, but I don't find that the dental floss gets stuck in my teeth. I find that it moves and glides very nicely. The flavor actually is a very slight lemon flavor. I also have the mint, which is nice too. It cuts off really easily, and you can see how nice and strong the actual dental floss is. So if you're looking for a dental floss that is made with excellent ingredients, and it's made with wonderful packaging, it works really well, and it tastes good, I'd highly recommend this one by the Humble Company. This is not the first time I bought this dental floss. I have it in other flavors as well. I really like it, and that's my point of view.